Did you know that some plants can move faster than animals? It's true. The Venus flytrap, a plant found in the swamps of North Carolina, can snap its traps shut in less than a tenth of a second. This remarkable speed makes it one of the fastest moving plants in the world. The Venus flytrap is a carnivorous plant. This means it gets its nutrients by trapping and digesting insects. This is a very unusual adaptation for a plant. Most plants get their nutrients from the soil, but the Venus flytrap lives in nutrient-poor bogs and swamps. It has to find other ways to survive. The Venus flytrap is a fascinating example of how plants have adapted to survive in challenging environments. It reminds us that the natural world is full of surprises and that even the smallest creatures can have amazing abilities. The Venus flytrap is a small plant. It grows to be only about 6 inches tall. It has green leaves that are shaped like clamshells. These leaves are the plant's traps. Inside each trap are tiny hairs called trigger hairs. When an insect lands on a trigger hair, it brushes against it. This triggers the trap to close. The trap snaps shut in a fraction of a second, trapping the insect inside. The Venus flytrap has evolved this incredible hunting mechanism to survive. In the nutrient-poor bogs where it lives, the Venus flytrap must supplement its diet. Insects provide the plant with the vital nutrients that are lacking in the soil. The Venus flytrap lives in bogs and swamps in North Carolina. These are very challenging environments for plants to live in. The soil is very acidic and low in nutrients. There is also not a lot of sunlight available. Most plants would not be able to survive in these conditions, but the Venus flytrap has adapted to thrive in this environment. Its ability to trap insects gives it a competitive advantage. The Venus flytrap is able to get the nutrients it needs. It does not have to rely on the poor quality soil. The Venus flytrap's trap is a very sophisticated mechanism. It is designed to trap insects quickly and efficiently. When an insect lands on a trigger hair, it sends a signal to the plant. The trap is then ready to close. If the insect touches another trigger hair within 20 seconds, the trap will snap shut. This double touch mechanism helps to prevent the plant from wasting energy. It won't close on false alarms like raindrops or debris. Once the trap is closed, the plant secretes digestive enzymes. These enzymes break down the insect's body. The plant then absorbs the nutrients from the insect. It takes about a week for the plant to digest an insect. After that, the trap opens again. It is ready to catch another meal. One of the most amazing things about the Venus flytrap is the speed at which it can close its traps. The trap can close in less than a tenth of a second. This is much faster than the blink of a human eye. The speed of the trap closure is essential for the plant's survival. If the trap was any slower, the insect would be able to escape. Interestingly, the Venus flytrap can actually count how many times its trigger hairs are touched. This helps it to conserve energy. If an insect only touches one trigger hair, the trap will not close. It needs to be touched twice within a short period of time. The Venus flytrap plays an important role in its ecosystem. It helps to control insect populations. It also provides food for some animals, such as spiders and frogs. The Venus flytrap is a fascinating and important part of the natural world. It reminds us that even the smallest creatures can have a big impact. The Venus flytrap is a threatened species. Its habitat is being destroyed by human activities such as logging and development. We can all do our part to help protect this amazing plant. We can learn more about it. We can support conservation efforts. Have you ever seen a Venus flytrap in person? What do you think about this amazing plant? Share your thoughts in the comments below.